A very good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. In the last class,
Good morning, ma'am.
we have learned the 4 tenses, right?
Yes.
Okay. In the last class, we have learned 4 tenses. Remember?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes? Tense
Yes,
form of present tense. We have learned 4
Forms of present
present
tense.
tense. Very good. What are the 4
Present.
forms of present tense we have learned in the last class?
Ma'am, simple present tense. Simple present tense.
Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense.
tense.
Very good. So we have learned the 4 forms of present tense. Today we are going to start with past tense and its 4 forms. Today we are going to start with past tense and its 4 forms. Okay. What is past tense?
Ma'am, that happened. Ma'am, that happened in the past.
What has happened in the past? What has happened already? Yes? What has
Yes.
happened already?
Ma'am.
What has happened in the past? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what are the, so as I have told you earlier, like 4 present tense, 4 tense forms of present tense will be same as past form also. So what
Yes.
will be the 4 forms?
Simple
Ma'am,
past
simple
tense.
past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense.
tense.
Very good. Now I will request everyone to switch on your cameras and mute yourself. Switch on your camera and mute yourself. Bilsa, I think you have joined a wrong class. Check your board and leave the class and check your board, Bilsa. Okay. Other than Manav, Manav is suffering from cold. So others, Sarah, Siddhi, and Izan, switch on your camera. Okay. Now we'll start with first simple present tense. Sorry, simple past tense. The first one is simple past tense. What is the formula for simple present tense, Janvi? What is the formula?
Plus present form of the verb plus object.
Very good. So what will be the formula for simple past tense, Srihari?
Ma'am,
Yes.
the formula for simple past tense,
Yes.
ma'am, subject
Very good. Plus, try. It's just trying. Subject plus. Which form of verb will use for simple past tense, Srihari?
Ma'am, now I got it.
Yes, tell.
Simple past tense.
Yes.
Subject plus
Yes.
past form of the verb plus object.
Very good. You have to think, now you have learned the formulas properly. Like now you have to just think which form of the verb will come there, okay? To get different tense forms. So the formula is subject plus past form of the, yes? Okay. Just a minute, okay? The formula is subject plus past form of the verb plus past form of the verb plus object. And the formula for simple present tense is what? Subject plus
Subject
present
plus
form of the verb plus
form of
object.
verb
So as per the formula, I is a subject, woke is the past form of the verb. So now tell me, what will be the three other forms of the verb? What?
Wake, woke, woken, wake, waking.
Very good.
Walk,
Wake,
woken, waking.
waking. Good. Okay. Now the second one, Shyam knew the place since childhood. Shyam knew the place since childhood. So which is the verb over here?
New.
New.
Subject, object, yes.
Ma'am, Sham is the subject.
Yes, Shyam.
Yam is the subject
Okay.
and new is the past form of the verb.
One minute. One second. No. Very good.
And knowing.
Very good. Okay. Now third one. I did the work last night. I did the work. Did.
Does.
How does will come? 1 minute. How does will come? Think. Does will not come. Does will come when the subject. Listen, 1 minute, Siddhi, 1 minute. Does will come, Siddhi, as you said, does. When our subject is singular, we will add es to it. When
Yes.
or s, right? So now,
I didn't say.
okay, I did say, okay, Siddhi, good.
Done.
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 Doing.
Very good. Now, she drank hot water. She drank hot.
Drink.
Drink.
Drank. And
Drinking.
Drunk.
He drew a
Drunkardly.
beautiful. Yes. 1 minute. I'll write them. Drink. Correct. Drank. Drunk.
Drunk. And
Drinking.
Drink.
Okay. Now he drew a beautiful scenery. So drew is a past form of the verb. He subject. It's not draw, it's draw. What it is?
Draw.
Drew.
Drawn.
Drawn.
Drawing.
Very good. Okay. Okay. My one question to Mayuk. Everybody can think on it. Mayuk, my one question to you. All this set of verbs are which verb? Whether they are regular verbs or irregular verbs. Mayuk, are you there?
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Irregular.
Mayuk told 1 minute, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, I think he's.
Ma'am, can I Manav?
Yes, Manav. tell.
Ma'am, irregular verbs.
Irregular verbs. Why, Manav, they are irregular verbs?
Ma'am, because they are not the same, ma'am.
Because they are not the same. Or what is the main thing? What we say?
Ma'am, all of the words are different.
All the
ma'am.
verbs are different and they're not ending with the past form, and the past participle form are not ending with D, ED or IED. Okay. So now we'll revise. What is the formula for simple past tense? What is the formula for simple past tense?
Subject plus past form of the verb plus object.
Very good. Now next one. Very good. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Okay. So what is the formula for past continuous tense? Subject
Subject plus
was and verb. Okay, listen. 1 minute.
was or were.
Okay. Subject plus was and verb. Am, is, are. Past form will be was and were. Was and were. We will use was when we are talking about singular noun, when we are talking about singular noun or pronoun, and with I, which is a first person pronoun. Okay. We will use were with plural nouns and plural pronouns, and with second person pronoun, which is a singular pronoun, also you. Okay. Okay, everyone.
You.
Yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Was will be used with singular noun or pronoun. Okay. Then your singular pronoun with I we will use. Okay. Clear, everyone? And
Yes,
word
ma'am.
will be used with plural noun or pronoun
And you were.
and you, which is a
And you.
singular pronoun. Okay, singular pronoun here. Okay, everyone, clear with this? Was and
Yes,
verbs you
ma'am.
say? Okay,
Yes.
I've just revised was and verb. Now, subject plus was and verb plus present participle form of the verb plus
Let's
object.
stop.
Okay, I plus, because we are using I over here, we are using was. Because we are using I, we are using was. Teaching English grammar. I was teaching English grammar. Okay, this is my object. Teaching is the present participle form of the verb. Which is the other three form of the verb teaching?
And teach.
Yeah.
Teach, teaching, taught,
No. You go.
Taught.
1 minute. 1 minute. Everyone mute.
Start.
Everyone listen to me first. You have to go in a like systematic way. Teach,
Start.
taught. Everyone.
Start.
taught,
Taught
and teaching.
and teaching.
Teaching.
Teaching. Okay. Now, she was cooking when I reached home. So here we have used was because it is a singular subject. She, cooking is a present participle form of the verb. Which is the other three form of the verb?
Ma'am, cook.
Cook,
Cook.
Cook,
Cooking.
cook,
cooking. Very good. Okay. Don't be in hurry. Don't be in hurry. Take your time. But don't
Cooked, sir.
cooking. It is not cooked also, okay? Priya, again singular noun, was going. Okay. Adidev, can you tell me going, the three forms of going, Adidev?
Go.
Go. What will be the past tense of go? Think. Everybody knows this answer. Go. And the second one is what? No, can I? Mute. Very good. When?
When,
When. Gone.
Very good.
Going. Gone, going.
Very good.
Gone.
They, because plural pronoun, they were playing cricket last week. They were playing cricket last week.
play, played,
Cricket
And
last week.
played.
Play, played, playing.
playing.
Play. Okay, 1 minute. Now the last one is Ram went home early as it was raining heavily. Ram went home early as it was raining. Because here we have used it was raining. So what will be the
Was
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
And
1
rain.
minute.
Rain.
Rain.
Rain. Raining.
Okay, now tell me which are regular verbs and which are irregular verbs. Yes.
Ma'am,
Cook and go are irregular verbs.
cook and play.
Just
And play.
Cook and play.
Just think.
Play, rain.
Rain. Cook, play, and
Rain.
rain are a regular verbs.
rain.
Okay. Okay, Riza, what is your doubt, Riza? Who has a doubt? Yes, Aditi.
Ma'am, is teach a regular verb?
Which one?
Teach.
Teach is not a regular verb. Is it? Okay, 1 minute, Aditi, just see out. Teach, taught, teaching. Okay. Teach, taught, teaching. So, is it a regular verb, Aditi? Regular verbs ends with D, ED, and IED. Okay. Next one now. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. The formula for, what is the formula for simple Sorry, what is the formula for present perfect tense?
Ma'am, subject plus has
Subject
or
plus
have
has or have
participle form of the verb
participle
plus
form of
object.
verb plus object.
Ma'am,
Plus object.
so since in present perfect tense there is has or have, its past is had. So,
Yes. So the past tense of has and have is had. Okay. Subject
Had.
plus had plus
Subject
past
was
participle form
or-
of the verb plus object.
plus object.
I had, because had is common now, everywhere it will come had. I had broken, past participle form of the verb broken. So what are the three forms? Other forms?
Ma'am, broke, sorry,
Broke.
break, broke, break, broke, broken, breaking,
Breaking.
break, broke.
Okay.
Break, rock,
She
broken.
had eaten the cake yesterday night. What is the meaning of yesterday night?
Ma'am?
Yesterday
Yesterday's
Yesterday's night. We cannot say yesterday, so we have it is to be said yesterday night.
night.
She had eaten the cake yesterday night. So
Yesterday night.
had past participle of the verb, subject and object.
Ma'am,
Okay.
eat,
Eat,
ate, eaten, eating.
eating. Very good.
Eating.
They had met, past participle form of the verb met, at the party. So what will be the other three
Meet.
forms?
Meet,
Meet,
meeting.
meeting. Okay, meet, met, meeting. Okay.
Meeting.
Karen and Kiran, these are plural nouns, had gone for a walk. Karen and Kiran had gone for a walk. Gone.
Ma'am, go, went, gone, going. Go, went, gone, going.
Go, went, gone, going.
Gone.
Dinosaurs had lived on the earth long before man appeared. So had plus
Lived.
participle form of the verb.
Lived.
Okay, every time we are revising the four forms because it should be fresh in your mind. These four forms of the verbs are very important. Don't forget the four forms, okay? Now we'll revise this once again. What is the formula? Subject plus had and have plus
Subject plus have plus past participle form of the verb plus object.
very good. Okay. Now, past perfect continuous tense. What is the formula? Past perfect continuous tense. The form subject
plus
had
had plus been plus
been
present participle form of the verb
present participle
plus
form of the
object.
verb plus object. So here I have
object.
used subject as Jack, had, been compulsory, waiting, had been waiting for his
And the
grandparents
finite verbs.
since last night. Jack had been waiting for his grandparents since last night.
Last night means yesterday night.
Yesterday night, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yesterday night.
So why you write yesterday night?
So it depends on the sentences.
Yeah.
Okay. Yesterday it had been raining heavily.
Ma'am.
Yesterday it had been raining heavily. So had plus been plus past participle form of the verb raining. Okay. Sorry, not past participle. Present participle. Yes, by mistake. Sorry. Present participle form of the verb raining. Okay. They had been. We have practiced all these verb forms. So I'm not doing it once again. They had been dancing for hours. They had been dancing for hours. They subject plus had plus been, then plus present participle form of the verb plus object.
Plus object.
He had not been practicing for the competition. Okay. So had not plus been plus practicing for the competition. Tia had not been living near our house. So had not plus been plus living near her house. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes,
just
ma'am.
I want to ask you all from the previous class, which are our finite words in these sentences?
Had been waiting, had been running, had been dancing, had not been
Can I see
practicing,
what is
had
finite
not been living.
not been,
Had not
they
been
had
living.
not been participating,
Had not been living.
It is not participating, practicing. Okay, Srihari? Okay. Now we will revise all the 4 formulas once again. Okay. The simple past tense formula is Aditi.
Ma'am, subject plus past form of the verb plus object.
Okay, now you all have to just raise your hand. I will ask. No common answers. Okay, now we are revising. What is the formula for past continuous tense? Kirtana?
Ma'am, subject plus was or verb plus ing form.
No, do we say ing form of the verb? Which form we say?
Ma'am, past participle form.
Not
Ma'am,
past
can I
participle.
say-
Wait, let her try it, Srihari. She knows the answer, but she, yes, Kirtana.
Ma'am, subject plus was or verb plus present form of the verb.
Present, think. Present participle form of the verb, which is the ing form of the verb. Okay, Kirtana?
Okay, ma'am.
Don't get confused with present form and present participle form of the verb. Okay, everyone now, what is the formula for past continuous tense? Everyone.
And subject
Subject
plus
plus
or where plus
verb
participle form of the verb plus object. Verb plus subject.
Very good. Now, the formula for past perfect tense. The formula for past perfect tense. Navneet?
Subject plus had plus past participle form of the verb plus object.
Very good. What is the formula for past perfect continuous tense? Past perfect.
Can I?
Okay, Hyra?
Okay, ma'am. Subject plus had plus be plus present participle form of the verb plus object.
Okay. Aditi, you have a doubt. Doubt spelling is D-O-U-B-T. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
In the formula for past continuous tense is subject plus was or were plus present continuous form of the verb, right?
No present. There is no present continuous form of the verb. Did we learn present continuous form of the verb? Or will it, 1 minute.
Ma'am.
Ma'am is finished.
Ma'am, you have done. I think ma'am has a network
Yeah, ma'am has a network
issue. Who's the host now?
No one.
Ma'am.
It's recording. Niranjan is the host. Niranjan, stop recording.
Niranjan, stop recording. I don't know how to stop.
There is a recording option there. I just